it's not Saturday yet, but from the other hand, if you don't work 9 to 5, every day is a Saturday, meaning every day can be a cleaning day. In my case, it's Thursday. So last Sunday I released an episode of me being a chef, a disabled chef, a wheelchair one. But I love cooking so much, and I love to eat, that I barely touched the disability subject. But I don't like cleaning. I mean, I love when it's clean, I just don't like getting there. I just hate getting there, especially as a disabled person, because it takes way longer for me to do things. And especially while recording this one, because usually when I'm cleaning, I'm just turning the music on up to 1995, because I believe that's the time when music ended. But I can't do it now, because if I will post it with music in the background, the YouTube will take it down. So let's begin with something. As you can see, I'm fully prepared. Yeah, let's just go for it. I'll start with the laundry. The weather is lovely, so it will dry up really fast. Bed sheets, one of the hardest parts actually, because I need to crawl all over the bed. Actually, let's do a time lapse. It's going to be better this way. This should be ready soon. Let's put the new bed sheets. Ugh. Alright, the easy part is done. Time to put it all back. Actually, I'll do a time lapse as well. It's 10 a.m. and I'm already sweating like a p*** on a kid's fest. It's 30 degrees outside today, no wind whatsoever. I don't have an AC, and I don't even think we can have it because of most of the plants that my girlfriend is having, and she has tons, they lack humidity. Now, it's usually not that bad in this flat with windows closed when there's like 30 up to 35 degrees outside. I'm having like 21 inside, which is fine. Anyways, this one's done. As you've seen, duvets are fine. And pillows. The sheet itself is more complicated, and I can do it the way you just saw. I can also do it from the floor level by sitting on the floor, but I didn't this time because I didn't clean the floors yet. And if I'll sit on the floor, so you know, taking all that dust and dog's fur back on the clean bed, it's not really what I'm willing to do. But yeah, let's find something else to do. Guess it's time for the dishwasher. I'll do a time lapse because there's nothing special about emptying a dishwasher. Maybe reaching some places like in this cupboard, but besides of that, it's a regular thing to do. Maybe in the future, when I'll become a famous influencer, I'll get myself the one that you can pull the lower basket like to this level, so you don't have to bend. But it's all in my range anyway, so I wouldn't complicate my life too much. The reason why I'm getting on the ground with those, heavy items, they're not really heavy. They are, let me Google the word. The translator says bulky. So yeah, they are bulky. I thought there's going to be a better word for it. I can't lean down, pull the pants down, and slide the other one underneath it. That's impossible for me to do so. The only thing that could help me with it would be to getting that heavy storage room in front of my face. But I would lose the countertop. Makes no sense. Yeah, I guess that's it. Let's do the rest. I've left that mess intentionally because I'm usually cleaning this instantly. If I have a coffee in the morning, I'm just taking it back to a dishwasher. The reason is I can only carry one, maybe two things tops at the same time. Meaning that in order to clean this one, I need to do like 5 rounds back and forth. And this coffee table isn't heavy enough, so I can't push myself away from it. And if I think about it, it's all about preserving the momentum, you know, maintaining the speed, constant movement. Let me explain. When the wheelchair stands still and I'm trying to take this one to a dishwasher, I can do it this way. Stupid, right? Or I can do it this way. And my option is better. Preserving the momentum. Be in constant movement, like Flash Gordon. I am a wheelchair Flash Gordon. Let me show it to you again. So here's the beginning of my troubles. This corner, when I'm sitting straight, that's the max I can reach. This corner is always my nightmare. So I'll just show you how I do it. The laundry is ready. Taking this one with one hand would be impossible for me, right? But luckily, it's on barely sufficient level, so I can carry it with like 2 hands. Let's take it out. Momentum again. It's all about the momentum. My God, where's the wind coming from? Stop it with the fucking wind. I'm recording here. Please stop. And it was fine 15 minutes ago. So I had to create this lovely setup because my battery is dying. A power bank connected to this one, which is a microphone input, while recording this one. Yes! I just wanted to share something with you. Oh my God, I'm sweating. I've picked the worst possible day to do so, to do the cleaning. Like, I swear, it says 21 degrees, but I swear it's way more than that. Like, I'm fully sweating, but never mind. So I'll do the corners and all those, you know, tired areas with this one. Usually I'm not using the regular vacuum cleaner, you know, cord one. I'm only having this one because I'm doing some DIYs outside, right? So it's my work vacuum cleaner, I would say. Also, it serves as a leaf blower, so I can clean the terrace with it. I'm gonna get myself a regular leaf blower, battery powered one, once it's available. I need it to be the same system, the same battery system as my other tools, but it's been sold out. And there are also those handy little ones, those handy vacuum cleaners, but I don't have it. I'm disabled, I'm not rich, and I don't really have room for like 4 vacuum cleaners. I have that robotic vacuum cleaner. Sadly, something's wrong with the wheels. One of those wheels doesn't go back. So I ordered the new wheels. I'll fix it, I'll fix the wheels. I'll trade them for the new ones. But yeah, anyways, a regular vacuum cleaner is deadly for a disabled person, and it needs some explanation. One of the worst things that can happen to a disabled person, and when he's going back and touches something, I would fall if I wouldn't just do it intentionally. The only way to counter this is to move even further back, and you can't because you are standing on something. It's automatically a failure. Because if you do it with front and something stops you, you'll just fall on your face. Or maybe you'll manage to hold yourself to a chair, right? But it's not happening when you go backwards. You know, using this vacuum, cleaning something, turning around can be deadly for you. Hitting with the back of your head to something sharp or like just hard can be deadly. But using a cord vacuum cleaner is just stupid. Yeah, I'm not using it. I mean, I am, because I'm stupid. So yeah, I'll use the broom for the main area, and I will use vacuum cleaner for those tight spots, you know, underneath the couch and shit. It will be great. Time lapse again, so I can listen to music, because that's why I'm playing time lapse so much. The music can be played in the background. I mean, for me. You know what, I'll actually do all of it with the vacuum cleaner this time, and then I will show you the broom as an example only. So I need to explain how stupid it is. But I'll do it with the vacuum cleaner anyways. I should have used a safer device, which is a broom. It's 2:30 to 3. I'm doing it for like 4.5 hours, including recording, obviously, with a bit of a break for charging the phone before I figured my magnificent method of charging my phone. That's like 4 hours of cleaning, but it's quite deep cleaning. I'm a detailer now. The broom, when you're disabled, it's definitely safer than the vacuum cleaner. I did it to myself. I'm a idiot. I knew there was a vacuum behind me, and sometimes you can push it with a wheel, most of the cases, but sometimes you cannot. Anyways, I don't know what to show you. It's just a broom, like, doesn't need any explanations. Actually, maybe one. You can't do it from the front, because your wheelchairs will start moving. You have to do it from the sides. Is there anything else? No, it's just a broom. Let's mop the floors, and I hope I will be able to make the windows. Both? No, not this one. There's too many flowers in here. I'll do it tomorrow off camera. But I'll do this one, the big one. Should be easy. That's it. I'm doing mopping in a sink. And before you call me a savage, just hear me out. It makes a lot of sense. I'm cleaning it after, right? With like a bleach or something. Worry not. With a regular bucket, if I'll put it in here on the countertop, it will be this hard, so I won't be able to see, nor reach it, nor squeeze it. If I'll put it on the floor, I would have to get off the chair every time I want to wash my mop. So the perfect solution for me is a sink, and I don't care. Also, before you tell me, oh, there are solutions on the market, like the bucket that spins when you push the stick in it, or the bucket that requires leg. First, I had some, and they're faulty. You know what's not faulty? The sink. Let me show you how I mop. This one's actually kind of fun. First of all, you can dance while doing that. That's a proper dance. You can use it to push yourself away or pull it to go forward, and obviously it leaves the room clean. As a disabled person on a wheelchair, my floor is dirty almost all the time. So I shall dance with the mop now. And you can't ride on it when it's wet. But everyone knows that, right? Even walking people. If you step on a wet floor, your mother will hit you in the back of your head, right? Mine will not, because I won't step on it. So I thought I could make it all today. Cleaning, recording. It took me way more time than I expected. Maybe I can improve it in the future. But from the other hand, I won't be recording any other cleaning videos in the future. So what's the point? I still need to do some dust. I still need to do windows. I still need to do the bathroom. But I guess it just won't happen in this episode. I still need to do some gardening. There's a heat wave for like 4 days already. My lawn is kind of dying because it got used to the bad weather we had, like rain for 3 weeks and 20 degrees. I need to water the plants, prune them as well. Yeah, some things I need to do outside. And I gotta leave in like 2 hours, so I won't be able to finish the cleaning. So I'm not trying to be a dick by splitting the cleaning episode in 2 episodes, but I guess I have to. Because it's Thursday tomorrow and I'm leaving for like 2 days tomorrow's afternoon. So I have to edit this one tomorrow morning. And I will return Saturday afternoon, which is way too late to upload anything. So I'm sorry for that. I don't even know how long this episode is gonna be. I don't even know if there's a way to calculate it if you have no script. If I would write the script, I could read it out loud with a timer, but I'm not doing scripts. I'm just waking up in the morning thinking, it's a good day to clean the house, let's record that. So I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to visit my GoFundMe, Patreons, and buy me a coffee to send me money for a cleaner. Because I swear to God, there's something wrong with the weather today. It's like 22 degrees inside. I'm sweating hard. That's it. See you next Sunday. Bye bye.